Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe a daily routine that you enjoy. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Describe a daily routine that you enjoy. In this cue card you have to speak about daily routine that you enjoy. Here is the sample answer. A daily routine can help us stay organized, productive, and motivated throughout the day. My daily routine includes activities I enjoy, providing me with satisfaction and accomplishment. Here I would like to talk about a daily routine that I enjoy and look forward to. My daily routine begins with waking up early, usually around 6:30 a.m. I then make myself a cup of coffee and spend some time reading the newspaper or listening to the radio. After this, I will typically run around my neighborhood and return home to shower and get dressed. I then have breakfast with my family and spend some time catching up on emails or any other tasks I need to do. After this, I will usually go to work or school, depending on the day. My daily routine usually takes place in my home but can also take place in other locations such as my workplace or school. As mentioned before, I usually begin my routine around 6:30 a.m., which typically ends around 8 p.m. when I go to bed. I usually do my daily routine alone, but I sometimes do it with my family. This is especially true for breakfast when my family and I come together. I enjoy my daily routine because it helps me stay organized and productive throughout the day. Having a routine helps me stay focused on my tasks and goals for the day, and it also helps me stay motivated. Additionally, I enjoy spending time with my family during the morning breakfast, and the physical activity from my morning jog helps me stay in shape. Overall, my daily routine is something that I look forward to each day, and it helps me stay on track. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties then ask your doubts in comments section.